Hey everyone, so let's take a look at the 5 out of 10. Here it is. So, as ever, let's start looking for the obvious clues. Got a 1, 2, 4 in here. Start doing some sums. 53 there means that that has to be an 8. Gives us a 5, 9 in there. Look at this as well. There has to be a 5 here. Now these up gives us a 2 in here. That gives 28. So that's got to be an 8, 9 pair. That's nice. 8 and 9 out of there makes this a 6, 7. 6, 7 out of there makes that a 3, 5. Obviously there's got to be a 1 in here, look. Thanks to that. So what's got a 1, 2 and an 8 and a 9? So we take any that don't have 8 and 9 out. Okay, so we're down to 2 options here, with that either being a 3, 6 or a 4, 5. Can't be a 4, 5, look, because it's there. So this is a 3, 6. That gives us a 7, 8 in here. 6, 7, 8 gives us a 1, 9 in here. And take the 1s out, that gives us 2, 4, 5 in here. 2s, 5s and 4s out of there gives us, that's quite nice, 1, 6, 8. 1, 6, 8 and the 5, 9 out makes this a 2, 7. We can resolve those. And 5s and the 1, 6 out gives this as a 3, 4 in that order. So that's quite nice. We can, if we want to, we can fill in these missings. So we're missing here a, looks like missing a 2 and an 8. In order to resolve that, thanks to this. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, so we're missing a 4, 5, 6, is it? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not used to things being sequential like that. 1, 2, so here we're missing a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay. No 3's there, no 5's there, no 9's there. Okay, and no 4's there. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 4, 4, 2, and 8 makes that a 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, and we can also take the 2 out. It gives us a 1, 7 here. Oops. Resolve those. 1s and 7s and 3, 5, 9 doesn't help us actually. 2, 8, 4, 6. Both are valid at the moment. That's 2, 8 or 4, 6. So there's got to be either a 2 or 8 or a 4 or 6 in here. 2, 8 is there. 4, 6 is there. Making that a 5. Taking 5 out of there. 4's out of there. 6, 8, 9 in here. 8 and a 9. 5, 6, 8, 9 out of here. 5, 6, 6, 6, 8. Making this a 2, 4, 7. 7 in there and a 2, 4 in there thanks to these two. Can actually resolve that. So what are we missing in here? We've got, we need a 1, got 2, oh, we need a 1, 3. So this has got to have a 1, 3, 5 in it. So we've got two options here, 1, 3, 5, 4, 9 or 6, 7. That's going to have to be a 4, 9. Thanks to that 6, 7 there. So 4, 8 and 9 out of here. 4, 1, 2, 6, 1, 3, 5. Okay, that works. Here we can take 3's out. Nothing else yet. 7 out of there, so we can put a 6, 9 in here. Doesn't help us with that. We can take 9's and 6's and 5's out though. Okay, 2 options left there. We can now make this a 2, 8 thanks to the 6, 9 up there. In that order thanks to those, making this a 4, 6. take the 4, 6 out of there, and the 5 and the 6. Okay, 7 out of there, and 3 out of there. And then the 7 here helps us also clarify those two. 6 is in here. Take a 6 out of that, giving us a 4, 6 like so. 2 here, 2, 4. 5s and 9s in here, look. So 5 and 9 out of there, making that a 3, making that a 5 and a 9, and then 3 and 1 there. Okay, any more? Can't see any more obvious cleaning apart from that. Okay, what else can we find? So this obviously can't have a 2 in it. What about this one? Can't have a 2, we can take those out. Can't have 7s. So this is a really interesting point, because this is what I find you often get with these kind of intermediate level puzzles. You make great progress, and then there comes a stopping point. It's almost like the clever designers designed in a stopping point to hold you up and give you pause to think. And it's just a case of grinding out what that next clue is, the one that hopefully opens it all up. And that's nice, look. Putting in the missing ones here, and then the missing ones are 4 and 8, and then either the 1 or the 7, but can't be 4 and 8 here, which is nice because that makes that a 1, 7 pair. So we can take 1s and 7s out of here, making this a 4, 8 pair, making that rather easy to resolve. So that's a 4, 7, that's a 1, 8. And then in here, we can also resolve those. So that's a 2, 3, 4, 7, which is nice. That comes across here, gives us those. Which comes back across here and gives us those two. 8 out of that, and 8 out of that, and 1, 6 out of here. Okay, 1 and 6 out of there. So what have we got? We need a 2, 7 in here. Making that a 6, so we can clean that up. 9 and 5. So this is now, we can't have 2s and 6s, so this is a 1, 3, 5. It's an easy one. 2 helps us clarify those two. So the 2's clear out 2's here, so that's a 1 full pair with a 2. 3, 5. Let's look at pairs. Can it be 4, 5, 6? It can't be 4, 5, 6, look, because we've got 4 and 6 in that row. What about 3, 4, 8? 3 and 8 already in that row, blocking off 3, 4, 8. 1 and 8 already blocked us, so this has to be a 1, 5, 9. With a 9 in there, a 5 and a 1. We can use those. 9 out of there, 6 out of there, and 9 and 8 out of there. So this one, we can take all of our 1s and we can take our 5 out. This becomes a 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, which should be quick and easy to resolve. That's going to have to be a 4. 1 and 5 will take us make that a 3, so we can take 3, 6 and 7 out of there, making that an 8. 8 out of there. Nearly there. Here you go. Look, 4 comes down to here. 1 goes up to, goes up to there. 5 comes down to here. So that can't be a 3 or a 7, that makes it a 6. We'll also clean those while we're at it. 6 out of there. So 7 out and 3 out. There we go. That was not too tricky for a 5, I thought. There was just that one little stumbling block in the middle where it took a moment to kind of break the back of it and find the next clue that was necessary to then open up the whole puzzle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was useful to you. If you have any feedback, please leave a comment or a thumbs up. It'd be great to hear from you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. We'll be posting videos like this almost every day. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.